Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Quick thing, I've got my farm tractor here. I was going to go do some seeding, getting ready for the winter crop. Went to go start it yesterday and it was a bit doughy on the battery, so put the battery on charge overnight, full battery, and it's still a bit doughy. Thought it'd be a good video to make up before you think about the star motor being bad. What I do is normally check the grounds. Now the grounds on the star motor is actually grounded by the engine, and the ground for the battery, I don't know if you can see, it's right in there. Now the star motor hasn't got a direct ground to the battery, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a direct ground wire from the battery negative to the star motor straight to give it all the current, because at the moment the current's going through the engine block, through the chassis block to the star motor. So it's just a quick fix. If it works, it's an easy fix and a cheap fix. Alright guys, what I got here is some 0 gauge battery cable. So we're going to put some eyelets on the ends, and then we'll install it and see if that makes any difference. Otherwise we will go for a star motor. If not, we fix the problem with just a cable. Rightio, so these are the terminals, or the eyelets we're going to put. Just squeeze that on there like that, nice and tight. Double check that it's not coming out, nice and tight. And some heat shrink. Now I'll just do that to the other side after I get the length. Alrighty, now there we have it, 2 cables. Now let's go, I'll go fit it and we'll see how it goes. Rightio guys, that's all installed. I've got a new cable going from there, runs all the way through, and I've just piggybacked it to the back of the star motor mounting housing here. Let's see if she will fire up. Clutch stick. AC ground from the battery to the start motor. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. I'm gonna go do some work now. I'll take some video footage of laying some seeds down in the paddock ready for a winter crop. But please like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.